Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring rice and water precisely. Accuracy matters for texture. Rinse the grains in a fine sieve or the cooker pot until water is mostly clear to remove excess starch. Once done, level the rice and add water to the inner pot markings or follow the ratio for your rice type. Make sure the pot is dry on the outside before inserting. Place the pot into the cooker, close the lid, and plug it in so you can select your cooking mode. You choose the appropriate cooking mode based on grain type because each program adjusts heat and timing for even results. Press start and resist opening the lid. Steam loss interrupts the temperature profile and makes rice uneven. If your cooker has a timer or pre-soak option, use it for brown or aged rice to improve tenderness. Once the cycle ends, the machine usually switches to keep warm. Make sure to let it rest on keep warm for a few minutes to finish steaming. You finish by letting the rice sit for 3 to 10 minutes on keep warm, then gently fluff with the provided paddle to separate grains without crushing them. If rice is undercooked, add about 1/4 cup hot water, restart a short cook cycle, and recheck. This restores steam and softens centers. If rice is soggy, remove the lid and let steam escape for several minutes or spread rice on a tray to dry slightly. One key troubleshooting tip: check inner pot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.